And they're off.
There they go. Heat 2, men's 5,000 meters. We're getting this thing going. Final event of the evening here under the lights at the track meet. You had the evening session yesterday under the lights, 10,000 meters. 3 races, 75 laps. Then we had the morning section this morning. ESPN covered that. We let them do it. They did a great job. And now we're back here tonight. And this is the cherry on the top of a wonderful track weekend.
It sure is. They're closing it out.
And the standard I would think that they're looking at in this race is 13:25, the Olympic trials standard. And that's John Gay out in the front. And he's rabbiting this. He's a steeplechaser as well.
Yeah. Tough cookies.
Yeah, you want a job done, I think you should call a steeplechaser because they can find their way around things.
We figure it out.
Over, around them. And so the laps splits that they're looking at for that 13:25, they want 64 fours for their 400-meter circuits here. And they were around there. I think they were slightly under, maybe closer to 63 for that first lap.
John Gay is pacing. Then it looks like we have Hernandez, Abraham Hernandez in second. Martinez.
Hernandez in second, followed by Fernando Martinez. Fernando Martinez has run 3:30 this year, and he did that at the Brian Clay invite in April, and he's a 3:39 1500 runner too. And John Gay coming up here around 2:08, 2:09 for that 800 meters.
65.5 for that 400.
So that's what they want. They want 2:08 high there, and they got it.
Hernandez just tucked right in. Martinez right on his shoulder.
And 2 steeplers at the back of the pack. You got Jordan Mann with the long hair and the stripes. And then right behind him, wearing the Hoka singlet, is Travis Mahoney from out east. And he's run 13:35 in the 5,000, and that's an indoor time. But we'll count it. It's the same distance. I don't really understand that. Doesn't like people are like, oh, that was an indoor time though.
Yeah.
Nah, you ran the distance.
Did, yeah, wind and
Oh yeah.
turns and it's I don't know.
3:13 there for 1,200 meters. So that's what they want. Now we have a group breaking away of 3. Hernandez, Martinez, and a 4th gentleman trying to bridge the gap up there and jump on that train before it gets away.
Graham Blanks is his name. He's hopping on the train.
Graham Blanks, 13:41 man, it says. So we're coming up to 1,600 meters here. Look at those beautiful bricks. I love how evenly spaced they are. It's aesthetically pleasing when you see them run around.
Did you lay the bricks?
I did not. I'm not a bricklayer by trade. But I probably should be.
Seems like something you'd be really good at.
What are you trying to say, Leah? 4:17 through the 1,600 there.
I don't know.
4:17, and that's what they want. They want 4:17.6 for that 13:25 pace.
Mr. John Gay is doing his job very well. I'll say it again, pacing is a tough duty.
What's the key to pacing here? Like, what do you need to be thinking about? You need to get locked in on a specific thought, I would think. You don't want an erratic brain.
No. Wearing a watch helps, and then also doing workouts prior to the event where you just run that pace. over and over again so that you get the feel for it.
So John Gay has been running 64.4s, just prepping for this night.
Non-stop.
And the quartet approaches 2,000 meters.
Fernando moves up to second.
Picked it up, yeah. Come chase me.
He said, come on.
John Gay doing a fantastic job here. We're getting late into this race and
The
coming
boys
up
are
on
responding.
3,200 meters.
Martinez
So we'll see what the 3,200 meter mark is.
and Blanks.
Coming down the back straight, 8:39. 8:39 for 3,200 meters. So John Gay steps off.
It's about 4 seconds off of where they ideally want to be, but that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a two-man race right now, and they're in lockstep. You got Martinez and Blanks rolling through here, so each of them would like that 13:25. So Fernando Martinez, 13:30 man, and Blanks 13:41 man. Their fates are intertwined right now. We'll see if Blanks will help a little bit. Coming up on 3,600 meters. They want to be at 9:39 if they want to be on 13:25 pace. But they've slipped here, and it's about 9:46 instead. So one of these two men has to make a decision to start stepping on the gas. Or we just get to watch a nice two-man race to the finish.
Yeah. Well, once they hit K to go, I mean, that's when decisions are made. So we're approaching game time. Uh-oh. Who do we have back here? Carson Bix is...
Yeah, Bix is still
Moving
leading
on
the
up.
train back there for Adams State. And 3 laps to go here. Three laps to go, and the drone's chasing him down, buzzing overhead. Got Martinez and Blanks, Blanks and Martinez, Martinez and Blanks.
Blanks and Martinez and Martinez and Blanks.
And more Cheez-Its. All right, we're coming up on 4,000 meters, 10:53. So they ran about a 68-second lap there. So they're about 4 seconds back. So we've got a two-man race on our hands. It looks like, I mean, barring an excellent final 800 meters, 13:25 seems to be a bit out of reach, but we'll see who can take it between these two men. Blanks is just
Acer
stalking him.
Iverson. Acer Iverson just past Bix, and he is leading that chase back. He's
All
looking
right.
great.
800 meters to go, 11:26. And who was leading the chase back now?
Acer Iverson.
Acer Iverson.
Isn't that a cool name?
That's a great name.
That's a great name.
Martinez and Blanks.
Blanks and Martinez.
And Martinez, Blanks doesn't seem to want to take the lead right now, but Martinez doesn't look like he needs him to, or wants him to. It's about 12
Oh my goodness, there he goes. Blanks.
12 minutes at 4,400. Blanks puts a finger up now.
He put a
Is he-
thumbs up.
Is he calling his shot right now? Is he Babe Ruth in it? Did he just point to the fences?
That was, I don't know what he did. I've
That's
never
awesome.
seen anything like it.
So here we are. Bell lap.
Maybe it
They're
was some
roughly
sort
12:31.
of mental game where he puts his thumb up and
Whatever it is, I think he may have upset Martinez a little bit because he's going to swing around on his shoulder here.
yeah, Martinez.
We'll see if Martinez puts up a finger now. No, he keeps his hands down,
But
pumping his arms.
Blanks might be accepting this opportunity to sit on his shoulder until the last 150. This
I-
is going to be a showdown.
I think we got a stretch battle in the works right here.
Woo-hoo!
Let's clock this final
Here
200.
they go. Yep.
13:04 with 200 meters to go, and Blanks goes to the front, but Martinez looks like
is
he still has something.
responding.
And Blanks tipping his head back a little bit, shrugging his shoulders up.
Martinez.
And Martinez looks powerful right now, but I know Blanks doesn't want to let him have it. Martinez is swinging wide.
Martinez.
Martinez looks good as they come down the stretch. Blanks doesn't want to give it to him. Martinez looks like he's getting daylight. It's going to be Martinez's race here.
I wouldn't even let up at the line.
Martinez confident. He rocked about a 29-second final 200 there. Carson Bix coming in there for Adams State. Got Stack. Here comes Jordan Mann. Jordan Mann trying to slide under 14 minutes. He'll do it, 13:56.